God, I look tired today. Good morning. It is now, what time is it? I haven't got my phone. Darcy's got it at 9:30. I am going to test out my Primark makeup. So the other day when I did my Primark haul, if you haven't watched that video then I'll link it below or at the top. Yeah, either one. I bought the foundation, some powder and some concealer. So the contour, this is what I'm going to use for contour, and then I've got like a lighter shade to conceal and highlight. So I'm going to give this a whirl today. So the foundation was £3, if I can get into it, and it says medium full coverage matte finish oil free, my perfect colour. So I'm going to open this and then going to open the concealer. The concealers say liquid concealer, medium coverage, vitamin E and aloe vera. So I've got one in ivory and one in caramel. So everything else I'm going to do exactly the same. So whatever products that you would usually use on my face, you know, my blush, my highlight, everything else is going to be the same. So it kind of gives a good indication as to whether these products work well with other products, how long they last for, because this is the other products I use pretty much every single day, so I know that they work for my skin and I know that they work for me, and I use a lot of them on clients as well, so I know that they really work well, especially with other products. Okay, so I have got some blemishes as well, like here and here, so this is going to give us a good indication if it's going to cover well. I'm just going to prime my skin. I use the Urban Decay Complexion Primer. I'm almost out of this, but I just take this in the T-zone. Just a little bit over my eyelids. I'm not going to put any eyeshadow on because day to day I don't really wear eyeshadow. I've got like eyelash extensions on, so I just leave it at that. And then I'm just going to take some of the Tiny Burr Face Illuminator. I really like this stuff because it doesn't leave, it like dries and doesn't leave any sticky kind of residue. Like it's really nice. Yeah, like it really dry, like oh, it's just lovely. Your face is just really silky afterwards. So I'm just going to put that on. Okay, so this colour is a little bit dark for me, like a lot dark actually. I did say in my haul video that I was going to tan. Anyway. I'm gonna have to add some of the concealer to it, like a tiny bit. Just to lighten it just one shade. I'm not bothered about it being a bit dark. Okay. So from the get-go, it doesn't look that full cover. Well, it says medium to full. Okay. Should I zoom in a little bit? Okay, so you can kind of see my pores still. I'm not mad at it though, not mad at it. Okay, let's put some more on. Now I did put quite a bit on my hand, but it's only gone as far as my cheeks. So I'm going to have to do some more. And do a little bit more mixing. This is far too dark, but I feel like when you're in artificial lighting, things look a little bit more, like they don't look so dark. This is why you have to go outside. Anyway, we'll make it work. Now I'm going to wear this for like the rest of the day, and then come back to you guys kind of throughout the day to kind of see how it's holding up, what's going on. Okay, so let's move on to some Let's move on to some concealer. Okay. So it's a nice colour. This is one up from, it just sits in my pores, like you can really see it. This is one up from the lightest shade. It is quite, it says medium coverage. Oh God. It says medium coverage, I definitely agree with that. Okay. So I definitely think this is a good brush to blend out this foundation. It's the M439 from Morphe. It's definitely a good brush to do all the blending out. When I focus, looks pretty good. I'm not mad. So let's do some contouring. Oh, this looks really orange. I'm just going to do one bit at a time. Okay, actually that's not a bad colour. It's a lot darker. It's a lot darker like in the pan, so I would definitely shade up. Yeah, definitely shade up with this, because the colour payoff is not that great. Okay, so the concealers have laid really well over the foundation. Third bloody time. It's because I've got hair. Right, so that is the concealer, the contour and everything done. I'm just gonna set my face, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off and then come back and show you at the end. And then I'm going to kind of check in every now and again as to what we're working with, because so far it's okay. Yeah, at the moment it's okay. For them, I just got to keep thinking how much I actually spent on it. So this is the, God, it goes everywhere, mattifying powder. So that was the mattifying powder. I don't powder my contour. I just use like a big powder brush and a bronzy shade. So I'm just going to take one of the, what's this one? The Cool Medium by Morphe. Just to set my contour. Okay, so I've just put some blush on my contour on, and actually other products layer really well over this, over these products. Oh God, there's just hairs all over my face. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup, just do my brows, my highlight, yeah, and some lipstick, and then I will be right back with you. Okay, so I've done the rest of my makeup. I feel like it's a little bit, no, you know what, it looks good, it looks really good. I think I'm gonna go and take the camera and show you in like daylight, but I do actually think it looks quite good. So we will see how long it lasts, what it wears like through the day. So I'll kind of like check in every couple of hours. I'm gonna try and wear it to like 9-10 o'clock tonight, so then it gives like a full 12-hour kind of review of what the foundation is like. So yeah, I want to have high hopes for it, but I don't know. I've never used a foundation from Primark, or like I mean, I've used a drugstore foundation. Like some of my favourite foundations are like the L'Oreal True Match. I also like the Revolution sticks. So yeah, let's just see how this wears out. So I will check back with you in a little while. Okay, so I've just come into my kitchen, and I just want to show you what it's like in daylight. So actually, it doesn't look that bad. It just, like, it doesn't cover my pores so much, like really well, but I'm not actually that mad at it. So let's just see how it wears. But I did want to give you a little tester of what it's like in daylight. I should come closer, because I've got some blemishes and stuff here that is covered okay. See, it looks a little bit muddy here. Anyway, we're going to see how it wears, and I will get back to you later. Hi! So I'm just doing my quick kind of check-in. Back on it. I have been wearing this makeup. I've changed myself a little bit because I'm working from, this is my makeup room too, like where I work from. So I've just had to like push everything back, put everything back to normal. So it is now nearly 2 o'clock. So this is the my 4-hour check-in. Now I'm not mad. Should we zoom you in a bit? Aww. Okay, so my natural oils are kind of coming through here. Oh, zoom. And on my forehead. But the cheeks haven't broken down. I've just got a lot more focus, damn it. I've just got a lot of my, because it keeps focusing on my, I've just got a lot of my skin coming through, like around my nose. It's like breaking away a little bit here, got a little bit of lipstick there, my forehead, I will give it this, it is really good foundation for £2, £3. Not mad at the concealer. I just don't think that the contour shade was very good for me. But this is 4 hours in. I'm a little bit like oily, and my skin's not too oily. Like I could wear a foundation all day and have a little bit of natural oil come through. Let me just zoom you out a little bit because I feel a bit too close. I could have like a little bit of natural oil come through, but this is a lot more than usual. So yeah, I'm gonna check in again with another like 4 hours. I was gonna go to the gym and leave it on to see how well it worked, but I really think I would just sweat this off. There's no point, and I don't like going to the gym with makeup on. So a little bit broken down here maybe, but I'm gonna check back in like 4 hours time, 4 hours-ish time. But so far so good. I'm not hating it, and it's really good for £3. Yeah, okay, bye. Bye. Hello everyone. Okay, so I've had a glass of wine and I'm feeling a bit merry. I just went out for lunch. So my sweat, I'm not a sweaty person, but look at this. You're gonna focus? Focus, mate, focus. Okay, so my pores look massive. I'm really shiny, but I'm not hating it. So I still like the foundation. I think this is going to be the last like check-in I'm going to do, because I don't think it's going to get much worse than this. but it's not my favourite foundation. However, I really like how it has lasted since much. So it's now 7 AM, so I like how it's lasted. It's broken up a little bit around here, but to be fair, it's not, it's a £2 foundation. This is what I keep forgetting, is only £2, so I can't have a go at it because it's not like it's £20. So it's kind of broken up here, but all in all, my cheek still looks really good. I don't feel like any of the contours broken up. A tiny bit here, but that was kind of at the beginning, so that might have just been right from the get-go. But overall, oh, and I had to powder it once because we just went out for dinner and I had to do a little bit of extra powder. So this sweat has only come through from like the last like couple of hours, but I'm not hating it. I probably would wear it again. Obviously I would never use it on clients, but yeah, I'm not mad at it. If you want to get like a cheap or like affordable foundation for everyday wear that you don't mind just powdering every now and again, then this is definitely the thing for you. I like a foundation with like really longevity, so this is not the foundation that I would usually wear, but I'm not mad at my natural oils coming through. So yeah, you know, I'm more than happy to wear this again, and I probably will wear it again. I'm definitely going to wear the concealers again. I bought it, I'm going to use it, I'm definitely going to use it. I just spat everywhere, sorry. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my Primark makeup, shit, what was it called? So I hope you guys liked the video. This is my Primark testing foundation video. So yeah, as I say, I'm not mad at it, not mad at it at all. So I will see you in the next video. Bye. With my sweaty face. Don't forget the wave.